Welcome, we are ready to begin working on our very first prototype where we will make a vehicle that can drive down the road. To do this, we will create a project for the first time, use Unity Enterprise for the first time, import asset for the first time, navigate 3D environment for the first time. That is a lot of first, but don't worry, we will do one by one, step by step at a time. So by the end of this lesson,
You will have your first prototype with a vehicle and obstacles set up on the road. As you know, Unity is a powerful professional program with a ton of functionality. So, when you open it for the first time, you may feel a little overwhelmed by all of the windows and buttons and icons.
but with a little time and practice, you will be able to move around this interface with your eye closed after you are familiar with the layout. One of the most important skills we all work on is navigating and positioning objects in the scene view. The scene view is the interactive environment where you can design your world in 3D dimension when you put your vehicle in the scene. For example,
You can move it side to side on the x-axis, up and down on the y-axis, back and forth on the z-axis. You can also rotate objects around each one of these axes, scale them on each of these axes. You can even view your object on each axis.
to make all that happen, I will see you in Unity. One thing, don't forget the advice. Watch, then do. Watch, then do. So let's start creating.